I'm going to show you today how we dress up kids for school in winter, because when it's snowing outside and they're going to school, they still have to play outside. They will find themselves outside, so it's important for them to be very warm. And life goes on as usual despite the heavy snow. So let me show you how we dress them up. So this is my niece Jael. This is the first layer of outfit that we normally put her on. It's wool, so yeah, like that. And then she has woolen socks. These are very, very warm, keep her warm. So this is the outfit of choice, which is now what is gonna go as the second layer on top of this. And by the way, kids here get independent quite early, so it's normal for them to, we just select the outfit for her the previous night, and in the morning she wakes up, showers, and puts on her outfit, takes everything she needs for school. Yeah, most of them actually at her age go to school on their own, like walking to school, or in winter walking, in summer riding a bike. That's the main outfit, obviously. Yeah, which is also warm because this is quite thick. And then they wear these aprons, let me call them that, this is waterproof, and it's also very thick and warm, so she doesn't even need a jacket. And remember, she has the woolen layer inside, so this keeps them very, very warm. So you can see now she's super warm, because in winter there is darkness. You see, this is a reflective, this white thing is reflects, so if she's walking, cars can see her. Also have these extra reflectors, yeah, that she can put on her hands. So you see, her outfit has all these reflections on here, here, and here, which, yeah, will protect her. So for the shoes, they also wear these boots, which are very warm inside as well, and they are waterproof. So yeah, they look like they're going to the moon. So to protect the head, she's gonna wear a Marvin, then gloves, some nice warm gloves, woolen gloves, and have waterproof gloves on top, especially if she's gonna walk. When she's not wearing the woolen glove, she wears these ones, which are waterproof and also warm, especially when she's going to play outside in school. She'll use this type.
This is my favorite earpods.
What does it do?
Huh?
What does it do?
It makes me warmer instead of the
Marvin.
Yeah.
It protects the ears. Sometimes she can also wear it on top of the Marvin. Okay. And her backpack, of course. What do you carry sometimes in your bag when to keep you warm in school when you're going to play outside?
My pencil box.
No, like things you use when you're playing outside in school that you carry.
Sometimes I have at school like extra clothes, so when I'm wet I can just change. And I carry extra shoes for inside.
Inside shoes?
Yeah.
For changing. So in class you don't wear these shoes?
No.
What do you wear when going to class?
Like inside shoes.
Like normal sneakers. And when you're going back home, do you change?
Yeah.
To the warm outfits?
Yeah.
So when they're in class, they don't stay like this. She will remove this in school and wear normal school shoes, which they have a storage in her school for that. And then when going back home, they dress up again to all this. Sometimes they even have extra jackets in school for the times it's extra cold. So what do you think about snow? Do you like winter?
Not so much. It makes me cold.
It makes you cold, but you survive. So you feel very warm after wearing all these clothes. Yeah. Do you like playing outside in snow?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can build a snowman.
Yes, you can. So she also carries this for when it's raining and she's going to school. she can cover her bag like this to make it waterproof, so the things inside the bag won't be wet. And if it stops raining, she can just pull it out and put it back in her bag. So
Thank you for watching.
yeah. And now she is ready to tackle the snow. Bye, Jael. Have a good day. And guys, that is the reality of living abroad. And this is also how they come back after a long day in school. How was school?
Good and very far away.
I know. So here are the two kids who forced me to film this video. They are so cute. One looks angry, one is all smiley. So introduce yourselves.
Okay, who begins actually?
The one who is already talking then.
Oh my gosh, okay. My name is Sana. I'm 8 years old and my favorite food is pizza. And I have only one best friend I like, who's called name is Chow.
Oh, that is so sweet. I had the other one.
My name is called John and I'm Shykoh's niece, and my favorite food is McDonald's hamburger thing. So there's also my one friend. Yes. And yeah, that's all.
What are you guys gonna do for us today?
We're gonna do Sana's going to draw boba and I'm going to
you guys forgot. You guys forgot.
drawing contest, guys.
Okay guys, so this is what's gonna happen. Since I'm the one babysitting you two,
Yeah.
and I'm the one who decides, because you forced me to film a video about you guys. I'm gonna tell you what to draw, and then I'm gonna give you how long should I give you? Okay, wait, let me first tell you.
Like,
So this is what I want you guys to draw. It's winter, right?
yes.
And I miss the sun. You guys can see outside it looks so gloomy and dark.
Yes.
So I miss sunlight. So I want
It's really foggy.
it's foggy. I need sunlight. So I want to see like a forest. This is what you're gonna draw. A forest, and I need to see like a road, like a path where people walk in the forest, and you can have two people walking.
Wait,
And then I want to see the sun shining in that forest.
wait. So we need to make a forest and the sun is shining.
Yeah, like it's a bright day, the sun is shining,
Yes.
and I can see some trees, and someone is walking in the forest for a walk, enjoying sunshine
you're
that is
reading.
shining.
Can we just begin?
So how long do you want?
Maybe 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
No, 4 minutes.
You guys are crazy.
Okay, maybe 3 minutes.
That's too short.
Maybe.
I'm gonna give you 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay? And the time starts now.
Okay. Yeah.
It's supposed to be sunny
At the forest.
at the forest, and someone is taking a walk while enjoying the sun.
Okay. I'm not so good at drawing people. Who do you think is gonna win? Team light blue, team dark blue. Like in the comments and make sure to subscribe to the channel.
Yes, guys, they want to know who wins.
I'm definitely gonna win.
We-
Write in the comments.
You know the time is ticking down,
Oh,
okay?
sorry. Let us know, please. Just write in the comments.
Yes, please,
And
guys.
please subscribe to Chico's channel.
Yes,
She would appreciate it.
I will for sure.
Just write down team blue or team light blue or team dark blue. Yes.
Who is team dark blue and who is light blue?
Dark blue, light blue.
Light blue. So if you're team light blue, comment. If you're team dark blue, comment.
But just when you're commenting team dark blue, just say team dark blue, team light blue.
Team dark blue is just talking. They've not even started, and time is moving. 9 more minutes.
She just wasted her own time.
Continue. Okay, no talking, no looking. I'm watching you guys. No talking and no watching each other's painting.
Sorry. Okay, I was actually doing it.
Jael, I can see you.
No, I'm just looking more funny.
Continue, guys.
Okay, this is so stressful. Why is even this blue working? You know Team Mwangi is just fucking. I'm not talking. Yeah, but what are you doing right now? Okay, you just shut up, I guess.
One thing that is really cool about Norway is the fact that parents have literally to bring up their own kids because there is no one you can employ to like help you at home with the kids. So one amazing thing is that you get to really spend time with your kids, like you can, because like I feel like, for example, in Kenya most of us would have like people to help us at home and we go for jobs, and sometimes you're really not involved in like knowing what your kids are doing. So I appreciate that. As much as it's hard, it can be really hard because maybe you want to go somewhere, maybe you want to do something, but then you have kids, maybe you have to look for someone to help you. Like today my sister is working, her husband is also out, so I'm the one taking care of the kid Jael and her friends. But that's amazing. I also get to interact with the kids, learn more from them, you know, just have fun with them. And I really appreciate that. And I'm just passing time as they continue drawing. Yeah. You're stressed? Why are you stressed?
I don't know what you're supposed to do.
You just finished drawing.
No, I didn't.
I'm saying you just need to finish.
How much time do we have?
You have 5 minutes left.
What? Wait, no, I need to rush. I need to.
You don't need to
I'm
rush.
already drawing the person already. Same here.
What do you want?
Nothing. Just your mind, please. Maybe or maybe not.
You guys have already started doubting who is gonna win.
Yeah, because we are supposed to fight.
Okay.
I need skin color. Oh, isn't it? Yeah.
They're trying to copy and I'm outsmarting them.
No, we're not trying to copy.
So what happens here in Norway, people are friends, like people start like forming their friendships from a very young age, like from kindergarten. So you find like the person you made friends with at kindergarten, you're growing together, going to like advancing through the school years together. So you find that someone is like 20 years, but they are friends. They've known each other for the last like 20 years. So they typically like grew together. And that's because like, as you can see now, Jael is already playing with like Sana from school. It's intentional that from the school they like form friendship groups such that in weekends Jael will either go to Sana's place or Sana is gonna come here, or they're gonna find something fun to do together. Maybe the parents are gonna drive them somewhere where they can have activities, and this goes on and on until they're adults and they're still friends. So it's very hard to like form a new friend who is like born and raised in Norway, because it's like they already have friends they grew up with such a strong bond. So yes, you can be friends with them, but it takes time to like get to the inner circle because they already have childhood friends in their inner circle. Okay, so if you live in Norway and you've been struggling to make friends, I think that's the reason why. Okay,
Yes.
but for the kids, I think it's nice because they grow up and face through life together as friends. So I'm just telling you that, guys, as I kill time.
Is time taking or what? How much time do we have?
2 minutes.
What? I'm done.
You're done?
I'm not sure. I'm done.
It's time to unveil, Jael. Time is done. Everybody hold their drawing. Sit down. Oh, you're both standing? Okay, sit down so you can be steady. So, wow. Park. Sana even wrote for us, park in Norway.
And this is like
Someone
lights.
explain.
So this is like the lights when it gets dark, and this is some extra lights, and like this is where the sun gets gone, you know.
And here's the grass. You sit and you have an ice cream, and it says park in Norway.
And where is the sun?
Here, and here's like the part of the sky, because I didn't have so much time to make the sky. But who gets the more votes wins, right?
Okay. Jael, explain your drawing.
It's sunny outside and there's a lot of people riding out of the way because they're like in the forest looking for like fruits and stuff. Like maybe this could be a farm or maybe a forest. So they're like, there's a lot of animals, but they're just too scared to come out. So I ruled some 2 people. So this girl is just going to ride back to her house, and this boy is just going to sit down and relax because he's from school.
Where is your son?
Here.
And what are the other things?
This is the trees.
And these are clouds.
Yes.
And this
Okay.
is the grass.
So another final look at the drawings.
Please be me, guys.
That's Jael, and this is Sana.
Shell is more better than me, so that's unfair, guys.
Bye, guys. See you guys.
And Chico, let me know who wins.
I will, okay? Both of you did a really good job, okay?
I'm gonna give a hug. Bye, I'm gonna miss you so much.
Okay, Jael, you have to come see off Sana. We all have to go see. Let's go. I put it there for you.